In Sembe no maka wechire. Adia onwa minister ne say dabi. Adia we na nkrofo na propose
mesi menyin
ba mesi menyin tum.
Afedi ye den wa kwaje
after so ye meeting we wie dem. Me pese me twadwon ba biskaka.
Metie minim ba bia wo keka ko.
After so ye meeting we wie ye no.
Adia na si akire.
Adia na si akire a ade na ono ase onje ntum na
afedi wasa akwaje atum
sisi ye wakwaje atum
esa de be hye ye ne ye
esa de be hye ye kon ka kire ye nse
yenye ntum by force yenye ntum dia we don't understand comprehension
ono sisi ano ono mom no all damage control dem
DSTV
minister ne
the minister for communication sisi I na ye spokesperson let them more
so he's not doing damage control for them. Because honestly,
what has happened?
Yes,
you are now the spokesperson for multi-choice.
Who defend
it? Multi-choice packages or more.
Yeah, I will not defend it.
Why? Why is the minister defending that?
Yes. Because
why are you defending multi-choice in this state? You will miss here.
Wonderful. Because who say package you won't pay?
What can it clearly? Kwame Sabo voice ni bi voice ni. Yeah. What was it one party? What committees in now? What more propose their two tables? What's it one pay? They will pay now and say yente board. About the saying a few months down the line or weeks down the line. What about back? I fed here all of a sudden. At the end now what was it one pay? What year two? What you two movie and what they say Ghana for the call at all instance.
And would defend it.
And I would defend it. The minister.
An agreed reduction in the price. I have seen the attempt by the South African management to say that when you buy a package, they should upgrade you to the next one. We are grateful, but that's not what we want. We want a price reduction in the price. I have seen the attempt by the South African management to say that when you buy a package, they should upgrade you to the next one. We are grateful, but that's not what we want. We want a price reduction. I have seen the attempt by the South African management to say that when you buy a package, they should upgrade you to the next one. We are grateful, but that's not what we want. We want a price reduction. And
I didn't see it. I didn't see it. After making this emphatic statement,
that is not what we want.
That is not what we want.
A price reduction.
That is comprehension. Comprehension no see in Kosuyan. We are deducing the understandings from this particular statement I will make here.
And you know, Kwame, but
about the same all of a sudden, yajiatum
for old price, you know, any new price, you know. But me last one because any Ghana for any DHT. Last one now, I don't know. What I'm saying.
But me say, under President Mama buying Obiti Sam George or Anto Betchopi blog. DSTV in Toko a needless. Baby anki a bit timid effort nako near pair Juma. Obitu obuasi tutuka onye Juma. Boys here now no money police for soldier for koti enia. Etuo to nipa hen 13 o say na wi wo boase ono sa DSTV asem ne fa no ben se bia nya se bia ma you for bob match bi na opa bia fa no ho ben me fie DSTV min kai last time cry obi ani ne ho adage sa obi ani ne ho adage nti ye niema hu here be affect the masses na masses na nya ho mfaso enye and then DSTV saying yes sir we see sir na some do no press conference. Why are you wasting precious time, energy, effort on DSTV? Me was some do the year o constituency tema o constituency a ko si ningo pram the whole Ghana headquarters traffic jam headquarters here what do you call pram tema fit tema motorway runabout e ko si Miocho Central University a ko si pram Ube did traffic mu 8 hours and ka.Sam will be the same energy, the same vim. O de ko ho anka by now kra enka ye bibi. President Akufo do mo ko mo ye kakra Akufo ba na Akufo ye soga kope road. E kwan ye one lane pe. Akufo do ba na mo so mo ye ho kakra anim ho no. Bon hospital ho no kakra. Enka mo pushi nye adwuma ne ntem. Na precious hours are. And Crawford quite Juma Baumu Westi or Hono. Yep, there be only DSTV for con. Is this what we voted for? Yes, bread Jumana Bra now need DSTV for DSTV for no chromosomo adaje. Me and Kamabubu Minkuku Kakanamiko. Because the other investors are watching you. But you know, can't buy baby see governance system. You can't say governance here.
John Dramani Mahama, President of the Republic of Ghana. The truth is, your Minister of Communications, Sam George, he's not fit for the job because he doesn't understand basic English. He lacks comprehension. He doesn't know the difference between value for money and price reduction. So today, let me teach him the simplest way. 5 mangoes, the original price is 10 cedis. And you promise to reduce it, the price, because it's expensive. And you make 5 mangoes 6 cedis. That is price reduction. But when you add 2 mangoes to 5 mangoes and you still sell it at 10 cedis, that is 7 mangoes for 10 cedis. That is value for money. Sam George doesn't understand this. So look at his arrogance. When the broadcaster Joy tried to correct him, he was rather telling the broadcaster that he lacks basic comprehension of the English language. Your Excellency, if you want the best for your government to leave a legacy, sack Sam George now before it's too late. I've said it before. He failed with the data prices. He promised price reduction. It was only value for money. The same with DSTV. No price reduction upon all the taxpayers' money he wasted on press conferences and committees. He has not been able to reduce prices. It's only value for money. So sack him. He doesn't understand even English, common English. And he's arrogant too. Your Excellency, sack Sam George. He's not fit to be the Minister of Communication for your government. You can create a new ministry for propaganda. He's best at it. Thank you. Life is for happiness. Thank you.
Ishak, are you on DSTV?
I'll probably say yes and no. I've had it installed. I've used the services for 1 month, and I just realized I don't need it because I don't have the time. The time is not there. So I tend to watch more catch-up TV rather than watching a live TV.
Okay.
So I have Netflix, Amazon Prime, and then YouTube. I hardly get the time. So it's just a waste.
You don't want
my packet was about 330 or so. Okay. I was just using it for CNN and Dutch Welle TV.
You don't watch Sky TV?
No, I don't have the time. My problem is the time to sit there and watch live TV. Okay. So catch-up TV works better for me. And I have specific program I watch.
Okay.
Like Good Morning Ghana.
Right.
So, but there are a lot of people who enjoy it. So maybe let's focus on those who really enjoy it.
Yes. Okay.
Yes.
So we are being told by the Minister for Communication.
Yeah.
And Sam George.
Yes.
He promised us specifically that he was going to get multi-choice.
Yeah.
To instruct DSTV to reduce their subscription fees.
Yes.
So finally, yesterday, was it yesterday or 2 days ago? It must have been on Monday.
And it was part of their research agenda. Their research agenda.
I don't know about that being part of their research agenda. but I think on Monday or so, he held a news conference and told us finally what the decision is, based on a series of meetings and deliberations and things between his office and that of the multi-choice Ghana.
Yes.
So let me read to you what the decision finally is, And it says that Minister for Communications, Sam George, is announcing that Ghanaian DSTV subscribers are set to enjoy more value for their money from October 1, which starts today. Now, this follows new arrangements agreed between the government and MultiChoice Africa. Now, he's made this known at a press briefing in Accra on Monday, September 29, after an engagement with a pay TV provider. Now, according to him, MultiChoice Africa has committed to roll out an unprecedented increased value offer only in Ghana, giving subscribers between 33 to 50% more value depending on the package they use. Now, this new arrangement means that Ghanaians will get more services for less, And I'm going to quote him. He says, it's a commitment by MultiChoice to respond to the concerns of subscribers in Ghana, and the offer is unmatched anywhere else in Africa. Now, under the new plan, existing and new customers will automatically be upgraded to higher packages while paying the same old prices. For instance, those on the Paddy bouquet, which currently costs 59, that's like the cheapest, right? It will automatically be upgraded to the Access bouquet valued at 99 cedis and enjoy 35 extra channels. This represents a saving of 40%. Subscribers on the Access bouquet 99 will be bumped up to the Family bouquet, which usually costs 190 cedis, with 19 extra channels, giving them 48% savings. Similarly, those paying for the Family package 190 will move up to Compact bouquet, priced at 380 cedis. This upgrade adds 22 more channels, including live football matches, and represent 50% saving. Now, subscribers on Compact, which is 380 cedis, will be upgraded to Compact Plus, which is 570, and that's where Cletus is. Yes, Compact Plus, 570, with 12 more channels and a 33% saving. For Compact Plus customers, 570 cedis, DSTV will automatically upgrade them to the Premium bouquet, priced at 865, adding 18 more channels with a saving of 34%. Premium customers who already pay 865 will continue enjoying the full package, but with an additional benefit. They will be entered automatically into a competition to win a fully paid trip to watch selected English Premier League matches, subject to terms and conditions. The minister clarified that there will be no restrictions on the bouquet a subscriber chooses, adding that the offer applies to both new and existing customers from October 1, 2025. So I'm sure that if Ishak was on DSTV, he would have been with the compact, with the premium, with a premium group. So, Ishak,
yes,
what do you make of this?
Well, the thing speaks for itself. Okay. The minister, I think he needs to be reminded that talk is cheap. Delivery is where the problem lies. In opposition, he championed two things I remember, especially 2024. He championed two main things. One of them was like NPP was a more reason why this particular TV provision was expensive, and that he was a solution. And I'm sure his passion for that area led to the decision of the president to send him to the communication ministry.
Right.
The second one he was championing was the gay bill. He made it appear the activities of gay people was because President Nana Akufo-Addo was the president of Ghana. He made it appear like that, to the extent that he pushed it through private members' bill. And then he was able to galvanize faith leaders to join him. And what has happened? So it wasn't signed. Now you have the opportunity. You made it look like it was a life-threatening issue to the life of the nation, that all our youth were being corrupted. So do these two things. In fact, there was somewhere he said, if President Muhammad comes and failed, he will say something to his face. I don't remember his comments very well. Or he will insult, or he will say something to his face. I don't remember it. Maybe search for it. It was quite high profile. If President Muhammad even failed, he would do this. Now you have been given the opportunity. You've entered into negotiations. You have failed. And out of face saving, you're coming to tell us these things. You said the Ghanaians were suffering. The idea wasn't that we're not getting enough TV to watch, and therefore we needed more channels to watch. No. The idea is that the cost of living was killing us, and there was a need to have a cut. And you made some comparison analysis that the Nigerians were paying less. Other countries were paying less. Why was Ghana paying more? Another point he made was that the argument that they provided in increasing those packages was the fact that the CD was not stable. And now the CD has been stabilized. And therefore they needed to cut prices. So the whole objectives of this negotiation failed. In fact, they tricked him. But we already know he's incompetent. They tricked him All that he knows is talk. Give us what we want. They tricked you, and you now telling the guy, and you can see, he spoke to us without respect. It's as if he's just an NDC full soldier. And the only people he needed to address is NDC members and not the good people of Ghana. And I've always believed that dealing with companies, especially expatriate companies, these prices are driven by market forces. And sometimes even consumer boycotts. Maybe emphasis where consumers just make decision that this is too expensive for me. Like take the decision like me. It was a waste of money that I've even subscribed for a while because I don't need it. There are now a lot of alternatives available. If you don't need it, you have alternative. If a large number of people switch up because of the price, are you saying they will not change their mind to reduce prices? Yes, it's driven by demand. So if a large number of people are switching off, they will make business decisions to reduce the price. But he made it as an MPP problem and presented it that when he comes, he was going to get these gains for us. Now they are pushing more irrelevant channels down our throat just to deceive us to stay. And they continue to take our money. He thinks we are all idiots. We just follow what he says. He is a failure. He needs to come out and apologize to President Akufo-Addo and apologize for the good people of Ghana. And you remember, I kept saying that these are a group of corn people, with the exception of Honorable here. They are a group of corn people. They've cornered us. What happened to the gay bill? You even tell me proper Human Socialization Act or proper Ghana Farmer Values Act. If this was a threat, why are you so relaxed? Why was there a need for a private member bill in an election year? Because we knew this was driven by the election. It wasn't the interest of the good people of Ghana.
Why did the president
and the faith leaders who were misled by the NDC through this gentleman who doesn't respect Ghanaians, the communication minister, the faith leader, he doesn't. If you lead faith leaders, did you see the Foreman, my very good friend? I had disagreement with him off air when I happened to meet him at the Ghana School of Law. Look at the way they went to Parliament, presented it as a life-threatening issue. And when the last time President Mahama had the opportunity to speak about it, do you know what he was talking about? He was saying that if we teach these children ethics, there may not even be a need to talk about the bill. Didn't you know about ethics when you were in opposition?
Talk about